Tuesday, January 6th, and I showed up at the shop here late in the day, and I can hear some grinding going on. So we'll find out what's going on with Dad and Aiden. Oh yeah, heavy grinding going on. So Dad's got the whole front opened up here, and got the light on in there, and it's got it opened up underneath as well. So imagine whatever they're doing is for the power steering. So we'll go check in on that. And it does look like it's the steering arm for the power steering. So again, this machine, that's a 67, moved into the shop the other day, and it's in really good condition. The customer just wants power steering installed, and Dad does that at a flat rate of $3,000. That's all inclusive. That's the installation of, and so he opens up the front. Normally he has to do that, and puts in a new steering wheel. And then there's a steering arm that's going in, and he's got some electronic guts that he has that we get out of Portugal. And Dad doesn't let me film the power steering install, simply because it's something that he does unique to his shop here, and we get a lot of guys asking how to do it, and there's no kit to buy, and there's only a couple of different models of steering wheels that he can use, and these guts, like I said, they come out of Portugal. But once it's all done, he wraps everything up and it's good to go. He does guarantee it, so there is warranty on it, but it's a couple-day job, and it's the kind of work that Dad wants to do on Bombardiers. He's really getting to the point where he's slowing down, and he, the restoration work is really hard on him. But they do have the steering arm thingamabob over there. And the last thing to go into place is the steering wheel. Once the cap on the steering wheel is done and in place, that's it. So we're gonna let these guys do this because it's the end of the day, and he's gonna want to wrap this up, and he's got a friend visiting right away. So one of the things these guys needed on the yellow 67 was a new fan. It arrived without a fan, so luckily Dad had one in stock or was able to get one. What do you want to add about this?
Okay, see this fan?
Yeah.
That rad should have been down to here.
Okay.
They lifted it way too high.
Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah, okay.
It's not pulling air properly.
Okay. So, are you going to drop that down, or?
No.
Okay.
There's too much work. They won't be able to afford all this shit that's got to be done.
Okay. But otherwise the tune-up is going okay?
Well, we're not tuning up. We're fixing wiring and shit like that.
Oh, okay. So looks like it's going to be more work than Dad anticipated here, but there was a bunch of different issues, like the fuel pump was just cycling in on itself and a few other things. But Dad's been working on the power steering here all day with Hayden.
We're just getting ready to put the power steering in.
Yeah.
I'll get a light and
okay.
you look from underneath there on
okay.
the other side.
From the other side?
Underneath here.
Yeah.
Up.
Okay.
Look how they wrecked the dash here.
Oh, okay. Hopefully I got a... Okay, yeah, I can see it.
Put this aluminum on.
Yeah.
Now, there's no strength left there.
Okay, so that's got to be fixed before it goes out. You got to, in order to install the...
I got to put angle iron on there and bolt it on.
Okay.
And then brackets down.
Okay.
The trouble is with a lot of these guys, they're smarter than the guy who built them.
Yeah. So, customer bought this just recently, so he thought it was in good condition. It looked good, but again, if you can see underneath there, the damage is underneath there to that dash. Dad's gonna have to reinforce that just to put in the mounting bracket and okay, the mounting bracket for the steering wheel. So gonna be probably another week or more. That's okay. We're still waiting on parts for the red 55. Can't really progress without those bearings coming in. I'm going to order a bunch of other parts just so everything's here at the same time. And so yeah, it's lots of work. Dogs are happy. Hey Charles, yeah, and Filipino Emily. So they're supervising here, and we're gonna have an end of day wet. One of Dad's best friends is going to show up here. So we'll see you guys on the next video. End of day treats for my peckerheads. Filipino Emily loves her marrow bones, and Charlie's digging into his marrow bones and is yummy.